Apply a thin layer of gel to the target area, then shave the hair with a razor. Clear away the shaved hair. Apply the gel evenly at a coin-thick layer. Provide goggles for the recipient. Select 808-755-1064nm diode laser on the screen. Settings. Select the treatment area, area size, and skin tone according to the recipient's condition, then tap SHR. Pulse width, 40 milliseconds. Frequency, 2 to 5 Hz. Grid size, 3 square centimeters. Cooling level, 4 inch. The operator must wear goggles as well. Place the treatment head against the skin and glide it gently over the target area at a constant speed, repeating 5 to 8 times. Scrape off the gel using the scraper and wipe away any residue with tissues. Handle cleaning. Wipe the handle with a wet towel or saline solution, dry it with a clean towel, and store it in a dry place. 1. Follow a healthy daily routine post-operation and balance work with rest. 2. Avoid steam sauna, hot springs, swimming, and sun exposure for the next 7 days.